Yo, what is poppin', my G's? So today your boys came out to a car meet, and I didn't come alone. I came with my co-worker, my friend, and right now we just pulled up. We're just gonna find a spot to park. So far we're one of the first ones because it barely started right now at 9 and it's 9:05. So that's good that we're here first, because look, I'm gonna show you. It's pretty empty right now, which is good, but as we were driving here, it was raining. And this is like my first time ever coming to a car meet while it's raining, so it's like, it's gonna be something. But the good thing is we're underneath the tunnel, the freeway tunnel, right? So we should be good. So right now we're just gonna park up and then wait till everyone pulls up, and then we'll get down and show you guys everyone that's here. So stay tuned, my G's. That's how you know we're outside. We're outside.
No, ya se fue. Ah. ¿No? Feeling is nice, no? Meras car. No, pero aquí como que lo viene. Uy, ese que hace por aquí.
Yo estoy pensando comprarme uno de estos, bro.
Este sí está muy nice.
Mi primo tiene este, pero mi primo tiene Scat Pack. Este es el regular.
Jimmy on a beat, boy.